Good afternoon, project committee and the audience. Today we are going to present application of unmanned aerial vehicle for inspect the building. The member is Nataporn Sunthorn Samai, Jinchutha Musikapan and Chonpisut Phumchan. The advisor is Assistant Professor Thira Lapitchiyangun. Today we will present objective and benefits, related documents, procedure, equipment, result, and conclude.
Objective of the project are to inspect the building due to usage by unmanned aerial vehicle and to study the software which has effective result for inspection. From the making of this project, we expect the benefits that are the first, able to inspect the building and can use in another type of building. The second, increase the safety and more alternative to inspect. And the third, able to use the appropriate software to inspect the building. Building inspections are very important due to construction, usability, length of use of the building, and the environment, causing an impact on the structure of the building. Therefore, the building should be inspected regularly. With this project, use unmanned aerial vehicle to take pictures. For our procedure of operation, the first is to find a building to inspect and visit the area to survey the area around the building. To see distance the unmanned aerial vehicle can find in each corner of the building before the flight. Then use the unmanned aerial vehicle to fly to collect image and enter the process of combining image to create auto facade by using Adobe Photoshop and Pic4D. Then visually inspect the surface of the building and discussion. The paste that we use for the project is fiber building, which is a complex of building made of concrete and glass. The equipment used in the project is DJI Inspire 2 drone with Zenmuse X5S Inspire 2 camera. The setting of the camera is manual mode. Use light sensitivity value or ISO value is 100. The aperture value is 5/8, which is an ideal setting for capturing large structure and ideal for sharpening the surface of the building. Shutter speed depends on the lighting and exposure is approximately past 0 to past 1, and distance between unmanned aerial vehicle and building must at least 5 meters basically and depends on area of the building. After take an image, we will merge the image become auto facade by two process are Adobe Photoshop and Pic4D.
Is two procedure of the file in Photoshop processing facade, the filing plan for full and for half inspection. We have divided the building horizontally in 8 sections. For full inspection, UAV has taken picture from the whole building, from the top to top. In the second file, for half inspection, it is divided the building into two sides, the left side and the right side. Then take a picture the same way as used in full inspection. In full inspection of each building section, UAV was take 8 photos with a distance of 37 meters away from the building. This is the process of the image overlapping of full inspection. The overlap of each photo is about 40 to 60% as planning. This is the result from the full inspection process. The facade had a high resolution quality, which can be inspected at normal surface directly from the zoom-in picture. This is the result from half inspection that the URV was taking 16 photos to proceed the half inspection facade with a distance of 22 meters far from the building. The image overlapping of half inspection is approximately about 40 to 60% as planning. After overlapping in the horizontal, two sets of the photo will be merged in the vertical. These are the results from the half inspection process. The facade of half inspection has clear resolution quality, which is able to inspect the building by using only one picture. The comparison between full and half inspection. In photography, half inspection use more photo than full inspection, so the sharpness of the inspection has a higher resolution than a full inspection. In practice, both inspection processes can be used to inspect abnormal surface or point of the building. The facade help the inspector work easier and faster. Image combination of both inspection process has some problem. There is no horizontal joint connection in the full inspection. The difference in horizontal joint connection are come from merging the left side and the right side of the picture that occur only in the half inspection. So the full inspection have only some general connection line in each photo, which is acceptable.
Another process is using Pic4D software to inspect the building. As the slide, there is the direction to fire UAV to obtain the picture of the building surface. The result from UAV is shown here. After take photo, the inspection process will start. We will divide the building into the section to do eye inspection and locate the location the abnormal. The inspection can do by scan and obtain the visible abnormal which has enough size to look by the human eyes, as shown here. So the Pic4D process is the process after do the eye inspection. It will take photo by UAV, arrange and optimize and match the points of the picture, and create the maps or the auto mosaic. After we photograph the feeble building and do the eye inspection, we have many raw picture data. In this case, it's 656 picture. So we add it into the Pic4D software. It match, optimize, and arrange the picture. Then it separate the picture into the combination point, as shown in the left-hand side. After that, Pic4D can build the auto mosaic or map. It will generate by the composition point and proper to locate the point in geolocation system. On the left-hand side is the triangle mesh with ability to do all of composition of the building. On the right-hand side is the zoom quality of the picture.
This is show a picture quality from the raw picture and processed picture with Adobe Photoshop, which is not much different, meaning that these two processes can be used for inspection, but Pic4D divides picture into pixels, which has a calculation position comparing the same area, maybe resulting in different results and resolution, which is efficiency after locate the abnormal location. This is a table showing the benefit and limitation of three process. It depends on many factors such as flight distance, building size, space limitation, aviation equipment quality, including flight quality. But compared to the opposite, these three processes are safer, less time consuming, more accurate, and least in an area that cannot be reached by humans.
This project is the using of benefits of UAV to do the building inspection. In this case study is feeble building. We do the three process, inspection, inspection by the photo from Photoshop, and inspection by the photo with Pic4D. So these three processes have different benefits. The eye inspection can do as a Photoshop to use to inspect to locate the position of the abnormal. The Pic4D has ability to compute the geolocation, and data inspection will compute the dimension also. These three process can able to inspect the building. They can inspect the visible abnormal which occur in the building.
Suggestion: different equipment may gain different quality. Drone should fly in parallel with the object. Closer distance cause the better quality in resolution. More number of picture will increase more accuracy in Pic 4D. UAV should photograph all surface and all sides of the building to make complete building composition.